wave so weird. I was like, look, wait. What did I have in my hand?
Nothing. A ring.
Okay. Now we just established that I'm not a good magician.
This is horrible.
Look, I strained my hair with a straining iron. There you go. I'm going to teach you guys how to straighten your hair. Got it?
For sure.
Yeah. And that is how you straighten your hair. But you probably should plug in the straightener. This is not plugged in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's just
Yeah,
not turned on.
it's plugged in. And we have these really cool lights that I'm gonna show you. Stay there and don't touch the ending button. If there is one, you will see. Wait, there's still a light on.
Ain't that amazing?
It's awesome. Okay, well,
You can't really see us because it's dark. But you can see the little green dots.
oh, the lights aren't supposed to be moving. How do you stop it from moving?
There's this little thing and you spin it. Don't push it, spin it. It's a little round knob. But wait.
No.
You didn't stop it at the right time. You suck. Here, hold on. All that.
Hey. Look how white my teeth look.
There. You got something like that.
Okay, turn on the light.
Look, you see a little circle. That's made up of little dots.
Oh.
Got us out in the rush.
I turned on the lights because it looks really stupid. Why did I say really so much? Yeah. It's really stupid. That is mean.
Oh, you poor thing.
I keep going like this. Anyways, look at this. I'm gonna be whoever this is. Hello there, sir. You are boring me with your questions. I'm going to take a nap. Oh, look at this.
Oh, the sock panda. Or whatever.
You sound so weird. You go, oh.
It's a sock.
I'm
Let's
so,
jigger thingy.
I'm so cute.
Hey, look, it blinks.
I'm so cute. You gotta touch my cheeks and make me all furry and cute. Ah, bye. Oink. Why is a pig sitting in front of a big, huge leaf? That doesn't even make sense. Stop! I'm trying to do something.
Click on the freaking elephant.
You made me cry. You made me cry. Okay? You made me cry. Clowns are not supposed to cry. And you made me cry. Oh. Rawr. Rawr. I'm a tiger. I will eat you up. I will eat your beans and I will eat you up. I will eat your deer. I will eat everything up because I'm a tiger. What's this? I think this is one of our presidents. Abraham Lincoln.
Yes.
Is that him, right? Abe Lincoln. Oh, who's this? Ooh,
Oh my God,
that's freaky. Who's this? I think that's Adolf Hitler.
No.
Is that Adolf Hitler? I think he is. Why would they put him on here? Look, he even has a little
Chinese dude, stupid.
He even has a little bun and everything. He has a mustache too. Oh. Dude, I think this makes my head look big. Oh. Does my head look out of normal size? I wonder what if I eat an Oreo. Wait, look. Where's the Oreo? Oreo. Ew, I can't eat the whole thing. Do not press the end button. No. Anyways. We love you. Now. Okay. I'm gonna eat a bird. I just ate a freaking bird. I seriously don't understand. Would that be chicken? Would that seriously be chicken?
No.
This is a chicken. So if I like
Chickens can fly.
catch it. Chickens can fly. Chickens can totally fly. Okay? Don't lie about this. Did you just throw us something?
No.
I don't understand her. She has mental problems.
No, I do not.
She doesn't know it. Like, we have to be sensitive with her. Because if not, ow, she will cry.
Ow.
She will cry like a baby.
You know those are raindrops, not teardrops, right?
I thought they were teardrops. Oh well, look. How do I make my face look?
Yeah.
Aw, I'm